Here's why Shiba Inu Coin is falling and why you shouldn't be worried. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into this video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I'm going to be implementing a like goal of 300 likes for this video. I know we can hit it. Let's try to hit that in today's video. If you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1 on the platform, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock back that you can then invest in the Shiba Inu Coin because you can trade it on there on Public with that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So as we can see, Shiba Inu Coin is down about 6% and we have broken a support line here. So we're going to be going over where we're going to be heading with this, why Shiba Inu Coin is down, and why that you should not be panicking. Stick around till the end of the video to hear all my thoughts. First off, I do want to mention we are the only cryptocurrency on the most active stocks or cryptocurrencies watch list here on StockTwits, but really the big thing that I want to be talking about right now is going to be these top three little things right here, and that is the Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ. And you guys might be thinking, Zach, this is a cryptocurrency video. Why are you talking about the futures? Why are you talking about Dow? Why are you talking about the S&P 500 and NASDAQ? Well, it has a lot to do with why the cryptocurrency market is down as well. So we're going to be talking about all of this today. And obviously, the first thing that I want to start off with is that the Wall Street's fear index shoots to the highest level since January. As S&P 500 skids lower, NASDAQ sinks towards correction. So basically, people are really afraid about where this market is going, and that's for a couple of reasons. One reason is that the jobs report just came in and it was not looking too hot today. So that's why the stocks were down, and then obviously the crypto market kind of loosely follows the stock market. Sometimes they have no correlation, but when there's overall bad news in the market, people tend to pull their money out of both stocks and crypto, and that is what's happening today. But basically this is because people are afraid of where the market is going, as well as a few different things that happened today, including the jobs report coming back negative, and this thing that I want to talk about real quick, which is going to be the China Evergrande thing. So basically, Evergrande says they cannot make good on their financial obligations and extreme caution is necessary with their securities. So you can see right here, they say shareholders of the company and other investors are reminded to exercise caution when dealing in the securities of this company. So this is obviously not very good news. And where is this coming from? This is coming from China. So this has repercussions in these obviously stock market, because Evergrande is involved in a bunch of different stocks, and when Evergrande comes out with some bad news like this, the stock market in general does go down just because of how massive this company is and how bad it could be if they do become insolvent. But obviously this is not very good for crypto and then the stock market in general too. This isn't good for crypto because crypto loosely follows the stock market, and when bad news comes from China, crypto also doesn't do too well just because China and crypto obviously butt heads, and whenever something bad happens there, the cryptocurrency usually follows the stock market in being down. Now I want to talk about why we shouldn't be worried that Shiba Inu Coin is down 5% on the day, and why obviously this is not Shiba Inu Coin's fault. No bad news came out on Shiba Inu Coin. Basically, the global crypto market is down 6%. We're down to a $2.45 trillion market cap. Bitcoin's currently sitting at 53%. Ethereum's down not 53%. They're at $53,000. They're down 8%. Ethereum's down 8%. And then the last 7 days, if we take a look, we are absolutely just falling like a knife right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the altcoin market always follows. So the fact that we are outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum right now is actually very positive, especially with no news coming out today. There was no news that came out on Shiba Inu Coin today. I scoured, no new news for Shiba Inu Coin, and that could be a reason we're down. But if you guys look here, we're outperforming Bitcoin, we're outperforming Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Cardano, pretty much every top 10 coin. Shiba Inu Coin is actually outperforming, so that's something you need to keep in mind. There's no news coming out about Shiba Inu Coin, so it kind of makes sense that they're down 5%, but it is good that we are actually down 5% because we could be down 8% like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we're outperforming the market. So that is good to see. But when we take a look at Shiba Inu Coin, the volume is actually up 15%, but that's because there's been a lot of sell volume today. Hopefully we can find a support here soon and obviously bounce back up, but there's overall negativity in the market right now, so we could just be breaking our support right now, sadly. But that means we get to buy it at lower levels than we would have before. So that's just what I wanted to bring up, is that Shiba Inu Coin is down because the whole crypto and stock market is down, not because of anything bad that came out about Shiba Inu Coin. All the fundamentals are still there. Shibarium is still coming out next year. The Shiba Inu Coin game is coming out early next year, and obviously the metaverse is going to be incorporated with Shibarium and the game next year. So overall, Shiba Inu Coin is still doing okay. We're still doing actually better than the market. So I just wanted to kind of sit here and quell your fears, but now let's get into some of the technical analysis. All right, and here you can see kind of what we've been watching for the past few weeks. And obviously the crypto market, the Shiba Inu Coin market, is just unpredictable in nature. But obviously we've been going over streams. The first stream I did was when this bull pennant was breaking out. We correctly predicted the breakout of this bull pennant all the way up to about the 54 area. And ever since then, we thought we might make support at the 44. We broke that, sadly, and then we were looking fine, and then a whale bought $1.2 million worth of Shib, and this prompted a big not sell off, but actually buying in from investors. And then ever since then, we've kind of been selling off with the overall crypto market today, currently sitting at a 35 RSI and trending down on the MACD. But it's looking like we could possibly be losing support here at the 40. So if we do lose support here at the 40, the next support line that I'm going to see is actually a very, very extremely strong support line here. It's at the 36, 37-ish level. So it's not, we haven't confirmed broke this support yet. It depends where this candle goes and where the next candle goes, but it's looking like we can possibly break support just because of the overall bearish sentiment in the crypto market today. If we can stay above the support though, that would be extremely strong and would lead me to believe, usually we have a bounce back day after a down day like this in the crypto market, so it would lead me to believe we could possibly test this resistance at the 44 and gain about 10% tomorrow. But if we were to break this support right now, we could potentially see an even more bloody day than just 5% and go from the 40 all the way down to the 37, 36 area, which would be about a 10% decrease in price, which would obviously not be great, but I would add to my position at that point. Hopefully we keep the support. At this point, I'm really not sure where it's going to go. I will be going over this in our live stream today, I believe at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you guys have the time to make it, make sure you guys subscribe. You'll get notified when that live stream does go live. We'll talk about what's happening with Shiba Inu Coin and everything there. But yeah, that's what I'm watching right now, is this resistance at the 44. Obviously, mostly watching this support at the 40 and then possible next support at the 36 to 37 area. But yeah, Shiba Inu Coin is not down for anything they did. It's just because the overall crypto and stock market is down in general. So it's nothing they did, and we're actually outperforming the market. So don't panic. Shiba Inu Coin is doing just fine. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and also comment how many Shiba Inu Coins you have. Help us reach our like goal of 300 likes on this video, please. That would be awesome. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.